Hello, my name is Dr Mark Winwood. I'm the clinical lead for mental health services at AXA PPP Healthcare, and also the consultant psychologist who delivers the on-site counselling service at the offices on Fleet Street every Tuesday. Now, due to the ever-changing times and in an attempt to reduce the spread of COVID-19, it's not possible for us to deliver on-site counselling services actually in person. Therefore, for this period, exactly the same service will be provided. However, it will be delivered remotely by telephone. The advantage of this service being delivered remotely is that we're no longer limited by geography, and it means that colleagues who work for the firm throughout the UK will also be able to access on-site counselling in this way. Now we're living in unprecedented times and we're facing challenges that we've probably never had to face before. There's never been a more important time to focus on and look after your psychological health and mental well-being. So please use the services available in order to help you manage these difficult times and challenges. You may be experiencing problems with relationships. You may be experiencing work-related pressures or finding it difficult to manage work-life balance when we are in lockdown. This might be a perfect time to start to examine and look at behaviors and traits that might be developed in order for you to build resilience to help cope with the challenges that you might be facing. Regardless of whether the difficulties you're experiencing are coronavirus related or not, it's still a perfect time to embrace and develop your psychological health. Please remember, as well as the on-site counselling service, there's a whole range of other services available. Please remember the Wellbeing Hub has a dedicated COVID-19 support space with links to a virtual GP, the Employee Assistance Helpline, and other tailored resources to support your well-being during this period. Why don't you join the London Yammer Wellbeing Group for the latest wellbeing updates, and also access to lots of interesting webinar recordings. Even though we're not able to go to the office at the moment, the mental health first aid team are also available remotely. And you can locate a mental health first aider on the London People wiki site. For those balancing work with family and the pressures associated with that, the My Family Care experts are there to help with any emotional, practical, parenting or work-related issue that you may have. Log on or register to your work and family space. Simply fill in, speak to an expert form, and arrange for an expert to call you at a time that's convenient and suitable for you. The normal on-site GP service has been replaced with a 30-minute pre-booked telemedicine video consultation. You can also book a wellbeing and resilience GP review to get practical tips on how to optimize your health and mental well-being during this time, and also discuss any concerns that you might have. I think it's really important to remember at this time that actually a daily routine can really help us manage the uncertainties and challenges that we're faced with. Prioritize your sleep and remember to keep in touch with people, perhaps via video calls or telephone calls, in order to make sure that we don't isolate ourselves and keep well connected during this time. In order to access the on-site counselling service, which I must remind you is a completely confidential service and available to absolutely everybody, all you need to do is to visit the wiki pages and click on the link to on-site counselling. You'll then be given the opportunity to book a time that's convenient for you. Please remember, use the support that's available, keep well, and stay safe.